Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You can obtain the BMW M4 in Need for Speed unbound through in-game methods like the auto show, event drops, or timed promotions. Start by progressing through career events to raise your street rating and unlock more manufacturer inventory. Check the auto show after reaching higher street rating and completing some manufacturer events to see if the BMW M4 is available for purchase. Also monitor seasonal content and limited-time events, because season events and limited-time promotions can drop the BMW M4 as a reward. Log in daily to track progress through career events to increase street rating and unlock more vehicles in the auto show, since many high-tier cars appear only after you advance. Earn in-game credits and parts through races, PR stunts, and daily challenges to afford the BMW M4 when it appears in the auto show or in event reward pools. Complete timed events, manufacturer contracts, and season milestones that can award cars or blueprints toward the BMW M4. Accumulate blueprints or car shards if the game uses fragment systems, and trade them in to assemble the full vehicle faster. If the BMW M4 is purchasable, compare its price and performance class in the auto show before buying so you get the right variant for your goals. Use performance parts, tuning, and visual upgrades to optimize the BMW M4 for your preferred event type. Focus on acceleration and handling for street races or top speed for long runs. Watch for bundle sales, discounted auto show listings, or season shop offers to buy the BMW M4 cheaper or with bonus parts. Claim blueprints, shards, or discount coupons from events to lower the cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.